Hi, I'm Tracy with New England Low Vision and Blindness, and this is another episode of Tracy's Tips and Tricks. As you know, I'm legally blind, and today we're going to be talking about how technology impacts your life. It's a pretty broad subject, but I'm going to first talk about technology and the word, because if you're younger, that word is not going to faze you at all. You've lived with technology your whole life. But if you're older, a lot of my customers are intimidated by that word. They think it means it's going to be complicated, and I can assure you it's not. You know, technology is something that we've been living with our whole life, one way or another, and we've adapted, and there's no reason why, with low vision now, if you're struggling with it, it's not going to be another wonderful tool for you as you navigate through life. Technology is that next step you're going to take when your glasses, the prescription can't be adjusted anymore. It's no longer satisfying to read with a handheld magnifier. You're going to move on to something that's going to bring you that independence you want, that freedom, that control, that we very often feel we're losing when we're struggling with the diagnosis of low vision. You feel like things are being taken away from you. Well, pieces of technology, these tools are going to help you feel like you can gain that control and independence back. How can technology help you? Well, I'll tell you how it's helped me for many decades. If you're a student, I was able to graduate from UConn, and it helped me keep up with my workload, and then I moved on to 40 years and counting of a career working full-time. You can work and earn a living and use technology. At home, you know, it helps me read my mail, read books. I belong to a book club, and use my computer, write checks, look at photographs, read recipes and prescription bottles. I can use tools to help me enjoy recreation, things like television and theater, watch sporting events. It can help with mobility. It can help you engage with your environment and what's around you. It's unlimited, and it's only getting better. It's a really exciting time to be learning about technology for low vision. There's a lot out there. Again, don't be intimidated. I hope that's the most important thing you get out of this, and you start just taking it one step at a time. I hope you've enjoyed watching. I love sharing these with you, and have a great day.